Dear viewers, welcome to today's video. We all use PNG files. It's more or less. PNG files are so popular because they adapt easily to any design and the file size is relatively small. But sometimes the task is not easy if you do not know the right way to make from JPG to PNG. In today's video, I will share two simple ways through which you can easily convert any of your JPG files to PNG files. At the beginning, you need to visit Capewin site. Then you can start in three ways. You can upload new pictures by clicking Get Started. Or the same things you can be done by going to the upload file. Or you can paste the link of the photo if you want. I am uploading my favorite image from the upload file. Now I'll use the Magic Wand tool. If you do not see this interface directly when you visit the website, you can type it in the browser www.capewin.com/tools/remove-image-background. To be more sure, you can look to the left to see if there is studio and erase. Now I'll click on the Magic Wand tool and select the part I want to remove from the picture by dragging. I'll use the sensitivity tool to select correctly. You can see on the screen all the changes that may happen. If you use this tool or not, you can also use the eraser tool if you want. In this case, you will get the benefit of making the brush smaller and larger. Moreover, there are undo and redo. And there is a fit screen next to it, wherefrom you will get the chance zoom in and zoom out. Once you are done, click Remove Pixels. When the background is removed properly, then click on Done. Then click Export Image. Now click Download from here. However, if downloaded in this way, the watermark will show. There will be no watermark if you sign in. Moreover, there are some more options that you can use, such as copy URL, social media share, etc. I'll download and open the image. Now I'll show you the second method. That's why I'm opening a new tab. I do not think you will like any other method after seeing the second method. Write BG remove. Then click on the first link. Here you can bring pictures following three ways: upload, drag and paste the link copy. I am uploading the image by clicking on upload image. This site will remove the background of any of your images in just 5 seconds or less. This is very wonderful site. In a word, if I say, if you want, after removing the background, you can edit the image and change the background. Easily, and after finishing all, hit on download button. Now tell me which of the methods shown in the video seems best to you. Let me know in the comment box below. If you like this video, please like and share it with your friends. I am saying goodbye here today by inviting to watch the next video. Many thanks for watching the video today. Thank you very much.